Welcome to a short demo of Chime V5. Chime now includes the ability to easily list open tickets, create new tickets, engage with ChatGPT, or route to an agent. In this demo, a list of open tickets are displayed prior to routing to AI or engaging an agent. If this is a new issue, then the employee is optionally routed to a generic or private ChatGPT chat instance. If the AI is not able to resolve the issue, then the chat is routed to an agent. After accepting the chat, agents may also see a list of open tickets, view the chat transcript, view session data. Use standard replies. Agents may also use automatic language translation and other useful agent-based tools to help resolve the issue. Take a look at more information on our website or request an evaluation.